name is Miss Kim. I'm your principal.
Hi everyone, I am Mr. Rosales, your assistant principal.
Hello, and we're here to celebrate our fall festival with our students that we have every single school year. What do you guys love about fall festival?
I'm glad you asked. We love basketball. We love getting prizes and most of all, having fun with our school.
We have our cooking club providing some awesome esquites. This is one of the clubs that we have in our after-school program.
Unicorn! Woo! Thank you for coming.
Gracias por venir.